Next bit, limit x tends to pi by 2. Limit x tends to pi by 2 sin x power tan x, sin x power tan x. This is in the form of a 1 power infinity. Sin 90 value 1, tan 90 value infinity. So in this case we apply limit x tends to a f of x power g of x. Suppose given this problem, suppose this is in the form of 1 power infinity, we apply e power limit x tends to a g of x into f of x minus 1. So e power limit x tends to pi by 2. This is f of x. This is g of x tan x into sin x minus 1. Sin x minus 1. E power limit x tends to pi by 2 sin x minus 1 by tan x. Sin x minus 1 by tan x. This is the 0 by 0 form. Apply derivative formulas. Limit x tends to 0 cos x minus 0 by secant square x. Secant square x. Cos 90 value 0. Cos 90 value 0. Secant 90 value infinity. So apply again second derivatives. E power limit x tends to pi by 2 minus sin x by 2 secant x. Secant x into tan x. Sin 90 value 1. Sin 90 value 1. ఇక్కడ నోట్ చేసుకోండి. cos 90 value 0. 0 by something equal 0. E power 0 value 1. E power 0 value 1. Next, limit x tends to a. X tends to a sin x by sin a whole power 1 by x minus a. X minus a. This is also in the form of 1 power infinity. E power limit x tends to a g of x into f of x minus 1. F of x minus 1 g of x into f of x minus 1. Take LCM. E power limit x tends to a 1 by x minus a sin a LCM sin x minus sin a. Take derivative formulas. Limit x tends to a. This is 1 by sin a. Derivative of sin x cos x. Derivative of constant 0. Derivative of x value 1. Derivative of any constant 0. Put x value a. E power cos a by sin A, cos A by sin A, e power cot A, e power cot A, e power cot A. F dash 3, F dash 0 equal to 3. Limit x tends to 0. X square by f of x square 6, f of 4x square plus 5 into f of 7x square, this is the 0 by 0 form. So apply L'Hopital's rule. Derivative of x square 2x, derivative of the f function f dash x square, derivative of the internal function derivative of x square 2x minus 6 into derivative of f dash 4x square into 4 into 2x, 4 into x square derivative 2x. Similarly, last one plus 5 into f dash 7x square, 7 into 2x, 7 into 2x, 7 into 2x, 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 2x cancel. So 1 by f dash 0 minus 24 f dash 0, put x value 0, f dash 0 plus 35 f dash 0. So 35 minus 24, that is a 12, 1, 2, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 1 by 12 into f dash 0, f dash 0 value is given 3, f dash 0 value is given 3. So 1 by 12 into 3 equal to 1 by 36. 1 by 36. One by 36.